benefits of Arthrosamid injections are threefold. Number one, it's a pain-relieving injection. So unlike traditional injections which stay in the knee joint for a short period of time and then disappear, Arthrosamid is described as a knee implant, and when it is injected in the knee, it stays within the knee, having a long-lasting pain relief effect. Number two, the main thing is that patients wish to avoid having surgery. So if you can try and manage their pain symptoms with injections, such as Arthrosamid, it reduces the risk of them needing to undergo surgery, which can be effective but is not without its own risks. And thirdly, it works really well to reduce knee joint stiffness. So when it affects the lining of the knee joint, it reduces the rigidity of the stiff tissues within the knee, giving a better feeling knee joint with greater freedom of movement.